Before installing the steering wheel, turn off the power. First, remove the airbag cover of the original steering wheel. There are 2 holes on the left and right sides. Insert it, and the retaining ring will pop open. After disassembling the airbag, unplug this wire. Pay attention to unplug both wires. If not, unscrewing the screws will tear this apart. It will be pulled out. You need to use this tool. Press it, and take off both sides. Use this tool to unscrew the middle screw. Then the steering wheel can be removed. The disassembly is done. Be sure to pay attention to the disassembly process. You must unplug those 2 wires, otherwise it will be torn here. Don't touch this place after removing it. After removing the original steering wheel, fix it with tape. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. This is the standard steering wheel we ship, with airbag and assembly. We just need to remove the generator from the original car and install it on this. For example, this is the original steering wheel, airbag cover, and its assembly. We need to install this generator on this cover. Now we are removing the original generator to our matching airbag cover. The sounder has been installed. And then install it in the car. These buttons are all matched. After we remove the original steering wheel, and then remove the bottom case, the instrument above is our additional installation. Ignore it, but this is the old Model Y. We need to remove the bottom case. The purpose of removing the bottom shell, there is an adapter under it to connect our chip. After connecting, the buttons on our new steering wheel can also be used on the old Model 3. The purpose of removing the bottom shell is to install our steering wheel chip. This is the original one. We haven't finished disassembling it. Transfer now. Pull out the original chip. Then transfer the adapter plug. So the chip is installed, and put our bottom case back. Before installing the steering wheel, first put this gasket in. The purpose of this gasket is to install the steering wheel. It is relatively close to the shell. The gaps between are not that big. The purpose of installing the chip just now is to buttons on the new steering wheel. The function can be realized on the old model. Now after the screws are tightened, put the airbag cap we just connected. Install it. Installation completed.